Hello everyone, I am back with another video. Today's video will be about more driving opportunities locally in Maryland. I believe some of these routes may go outside of Maryland, but I'm not really for sure. You may have to do a little bit of research. I also want to let you guys know that my content is going to change. Originally, when I started this video, or actually not video, but when I started this channel, it was mainly going to be about alternative remedies, of course, herbal remedies, just different things that you can do for your body naturally. However, I have been doing a lot of other things on the side, and I want to share it with you guys to give you guys more insight. So it's going to be more of um, spiritually where I'm getting the information from the Holy Spirit, and also opinion based things, and things that's just basically going on in the world generally. Um, so I'm going to be giving my insight on those type of perspectives, and at the same time, I'm still going to be sharing work from home opportunities, driving opportunities, anything that comes to mind. I'm definitely going to be sharing with you guys. So now back to the video. So I did find 4 driving opportunities. I believe all 4 of these are in Maryland, but like I said, they may go outside of Maryland. But you may want to call to get more information. So the first one is Excel Courier. As you can see, I've already Googled this one. Their office is in Sterling, Virginia. Um, but I believe they do some routes in Maryland. So let's go ahead and click this link here. And I didn't really do like a deep research, so I'm learning as we go. So let me just see if I can see what all they have to offer. Okay, so courier services, see on demand, medical courier, scheduled courier, freight and LTL services. Okay, and let's see where you can actually go and apply. Let's go to menu. Okay, so right here where it says Joy for Excel, they also have their contact information. So if you wanted to call or email, here's the information here. You can also check them out on Facebook or social media, whatnot. Before I would apply to any job, any driving job anyway, I would definitely just give them a call, see what all they require, because a lot of these companies may just want box truck drivers or freight drivers or individuals that has transit or sprinter vehicles. So if you have a car and you don't have like a DOT number or MC number, definitely give them a call to see what all they require. Sometimes they may want you to have some type of insurance as well. So this is where you apply. Go ahead and click apply here. Okay. So getting started, click apply now, complete the application. Okay. Okay, so basically, if you do apply, it looks like they'll definitely give you a call to go over the opportunities that they have. Then it looks like they'll schedule an orientation. Then you can start driving. Okay, so it says incentives and perks. Make your own schedule, direct deposit, control your earning potential. Okay, dedicated driver manager and dispatch team support. That's good. Oh, okay, it says optional insurance and benefits. And look, it says you can earn up to 1,200 for each referral and work with your friends. Okay, so this definitely sounds kind of interesting. This is something that I would still call, um, get more information. It looks like commission based. You may be able to work whenever you want to work too. That'd be awesome because I really don't like route type of deals where you have to come in Monday through Friday for a Pacific route or something like that. I like things where you can kind of like work whenever you want to work type of thing. Okay, so I will drop this link in the description box, and let's go to the next one. So the next one is Falcon, I think it's just called Falcon. And obviously I already got their application information here. So this is what they would require for you to fill out to start working with them, type of vehicle you have, so you can maybe use a car. Um, okay, and if you have a DOT medical number, MC number, I'm going to go ahead and add this information. Okay, so okay, so this is called Falcon Express Transportation, and their headquarters is in Beltsville, Maryland. And then here's their number here. And I want to see what type of deliveries they do, so let me go back here. Okay, so it looks like they do a little bit of everything. They have overnight delivery, same day courier, e-commerce, distribution, indirect air carrier. Okay, so there's that information. So let's go on to the next one. Now here's the one I was having a little bit of trouble with. I could not find like the application or anything like that to actually fill out. But this company is called Orbit Healthcare. I believe they mainly just deal with pharmaceutical and medical type of things to deliver. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Let's see. Okay, so they're located in Ashland, Virginia. Here's their telephone number and their email. So if you want to call to inquire, email, there's that information. And yeah, so it doesn't have like an actual application or anything to fill out. So I think it's just best to like call them to inquire about what type of opportunities they have available and where you would go to apply. And here's the last one here. This one is Rapid Response Delivery. There's their number. Um, it looks like you may need to have um, a transit or a sprinter, box truck, or even a semi. Not for sure if they allow you to use smaller vehicles. Um, and this right here at the bottom where it says driver independent contractor, okay, 16-foot to 18-foot cube truck. So they have an opportunity in Baltimore, looks like. And then if you have like a sprinter or a transit van, looks like they have opportunities in Columbia. Yeah, so I don't believe you can actually use a smaller vehicle. Let me click. Okay, yeah, same thing. Um, Again, I would still call to inquire. Just because they don't have it there, you never know. They may have opportunities coming out in the future for smaller vehicles. Yeah, this video was very brief. And again, once I do come across other driving opportunities, I definitely will share with you guys. If you guys have any other questions for me, please drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and you want many more videos similar to this or other videos. I thank you again for watching. You guys have a wonderful evening.